Hey, it's Diego with Aim Shoot Develop. Today I'm talking about how to scan Polaroid 600, SX70, and I-type film using this 3D printed adapter. If you're not familiar with my channel, I shoot mostly Instax stuff, instant Polaroid film, and 35mm film. I am trying out some different formats, so check out my channel. Make sure to like and subscribe if you like this content. The first thing that I had searched is how to scan Polaroid, and this article had come up talking about Newton rings. Basically, what Newton rings are is when you scan a Polaroid on a flatbed scanner, you get this oil slick looking design on it, which is basically the top layer of the Polaroid touching the glass scanner. I'd searched online for a product to help me with the Newton rings and come across these on eBay. They're a bit out of my price range, so I started looking for alternatives. In my search, I'd come across this, which is a 3D printed design on Thingiverse. If you have a 3D printer, I'm going to have a link in the description, or if you know somebody with one that could hook you up with making one, definitely worthwhile. So check it out. And so we just went along with making the design. We popped it into a software and then transferred it to the machine to make. Really straightforward. I'm not going to talk about that too much, considering this isn't a 3D printed page, but really like how it turned out. Nice, smooth, and simple design. Now all you need is some tape. It says double-sided tape, but I live life on the edge, so I used regular tape and folded it over. It does have those two little indents, so you can pop the film out once you're done. I am using the Epson V550, which is cool for film scan, but you don't have to have something so out there or kind of expensive. You can pretty much use any kind of flatbed scanner. So here we go. Here's a nice, crispy, and clean composition taken with a Polaroid scanner. That part by the nose is just a glare from the film originally. It does show up on the original. This is pretty much for anybody who likes clean compositions, or if you wanted to use it for commercial work, let's say a t-shirt or a poster, you're going to have to use this so you don't get actual glares. Obviously here I'm showing just the Polaroid original scan app. This is just to bring attention to it. If you don't have a scanner, you can also take this route, but I'm trying to tailor it more towards commercial stuff. So you can see the huge difference in using the app, which gets you kind of sun. It's supposed to be black and white film towards a scan. Much crispier and the right tones. I'd pretty much made this video just to share the information of stuff that I'd known, pass it along to somebody who can use it, and just talk about some of the things that really interest me in my everyday life. So if you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe. You can see tons of content talking about videos I've already made on film and cameras that I really like. And if you don't already, check out my Instagram by the same name, Aim Shoot Develop. I post a ton of the cameras and things that don't make it onto YouTube yet, so you get a quick glance of what's going on. And I do also have a link to my Etsy, a lot of film tested cameras. I only have a few up, but I will definitely be posting more. Everything will be in the description down below, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Keep shooting film. Take care. Peace.